I'm Sarah, I work for Stonewall, Britain's leading LGBT charity. We've been here at the CIPD Festival of Work today talking about LGBT inclusion in the workplace. So we kind of talked about different language people might use to talk about their identities. We talked about the experiences of LGBT people in Britain and around the world today. And we talked about why this work is incredibly important in workplaces, why it helps LGBT people achieve their potential, feel comfortable and safe in the workplace, and how it helps businesses succeed as well.
So 2 in 5 LGBT people have experienced a hate crime or incident due to their sexual orientation or gender identity in the last 12 months. These things are impacting on people every day, and if we can make work slightly more accepting, or far more accepting and more comfortable, this is one step for it. We all know that when we have a more inclusive workforce, we're going to have a happier workforce, we're going to have more productivity, less sick leave, more retention, we're going to attract more talent. There's just a lot of things that domino effect of having great inclusive organisations.
We have brilliant feedback from people in the room. They talked about how important it is to visibly signal your commitment to LGBT inclusion, how important it is to be bold and to be public in how you support LGBT people. And we talked a lot about going beyond putting rainbow flags on things and actually thinking about donating to LGBT charities, engaging with community groups, holding your HR department to account and looking at your policies, procedures and practices. We talked about little visible signs of inclusion, so thinking about rainbow lanyards, so thinking about stickers you can put on your desk to show that you're an ally to the LGBT community. Those little things make a really big difference to LGBT people feeling safe and comfortable in the workplace. We also talked about the role of senior leaders. Senior leaders set the culture in an organisation, and them educating themselves, listening to their LGBT employees and understanding LGBT experiences in the workplace in order to talk confidently to all your staff about the importance of LGBT inclusion in your workplace is critical to kind of driving this work forward.